100 households currently will benefit immediately. And other households along the route will now be able to go to their NWC office and formally connect. And I think that is particularly important, colleagues. When an investment is made into 1,100 households of over, over $113 million, ladies and gentlemen, I believe the administration should be commended. As the country gets more fiscal space, we expect to be able to expand the scope of projects and work with our sister agency, NWA, to ensure that once the piping work is done, you're able to put in place the accompanying infrastructure. That is a matter of economics, it's not a matter of intent. The people of St. Elizabeth can be assured that once we have the fiscal space, we have all intention of dealing with all the road issues that they have. And I hope Minister Warmington won't be offended that I've gone into his area, but I know for a fact how seriously we take the issues of development in St. Elizabeth.
We are happy that we are upgraded. The water system is upgraded from a lower standard pump to a higher, and the line is upgraded because they will get better water pressure so that we can have efficient service, so we can get things done. And even for the surrounding community like Baptist and middle quarters, they never used to have good water pressure. Now that the water system is upgraded, we are assured that we can get better pressures in the pipes. People who used to go around and didn't have anything water, like the Baptist community close by here, didn't have a good water supply. They are now up with water. And the middle quarters here used to are on the point. All these areas used to have low water pressure, and they are up now with better water pressure and better water supply. So you know, people raise their animal like pigs and chicken, and all this now can be better. Can be better for the people, so they can carry out their domestic use of the water in terms of those handling those business.